welcome back to another episode of Prairie Mini Project. As you'll notice, I'm not a mini. This is not a mini. But lots of stuff going on the farm right now, so I'm not actually currently where the mini is. Out here trying to get stuff done. We've currently got a very large storm coming this way, sort of beast from the east as the UK would have had it, but we're having a pest from the west. Probably be the best way to put it. So I probably will post another video back inside. Am I too close? Back inside the shop later on. Haven't got a lot. I've got some stuff done, but I've been busy with a bunch of other stuff. Calving has started, so that's all going to start going leaps and bounds now, hopefully. So I'm just going to give you an update on the workshop and a few other things, and then I'll get back to work. So I'll just show you where we've got to. So the roof trusses are on. That's a long way up. Welders got to a certain point where they were getting ready to put tin up, and as you can probably hear, I don't know if you can probably make out the wind. It's very windy, so they got this far with the external styrofoam sheeting. There'll be more fiberglass sheeting insulation in between the studs, but that's extra R value on the outside. They got that far just to sort of seal it in to stop the snow from blowing in as much, and then figured best just to stop there because, well, it's a bloody big kite, so it would take off and then no shop for Piper Doug. So just give you a quick little blast around. Doors are in. These are 14-foot square, so they should be plenty big for the two tractors. I got the blue 8730 there with the mixer wagon, which would be going in that door because it's the widest. Put it over here out of the way, and then I don't know if I probably talked to you guys about the other one, that blue one right there. That's the T6.145. I'm gonna have to make a whole other video about that tractor because we've had so many problems with that tractor. It's had 16 call outs in just over a year. Not good, but so yeah, so that'll be this door to sit here, and then that will leave more room in this corner for tinkering and fixing and all that good stuff. Still can't see the drain holes in there somewhere, so tractor here, tractor there, and the stuff down into the hole. And then the hoist will be here, so the truck will drive in like at this angle, motor towards the corner, because some trucks are longer, so they'll come out a fair bit. And then this corner here, because you got big door, my door, here will be all like the fixings, the electrical panel, compressor, welder, all of the doodads, and then, you know, work table, bench along there. You get a couple of windows here to face west, you know, get some sunlight coming in the afternoons, help with light and warmth and whatnot. And then what I'm currently debating is putting a kicker board along here and putting a second floor in here, making a little bit of an office. Be good for storage as well, but nice to have a little place just for beer fridge. So yeah, just thought I'd give you guys a bit of an update. Get some scaffolding right up there. A couple of people had commented about stuff that was just off frame in some of the videos, so I'll give you a quick tour while I'm over this direction. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because I can't tell if you can hear me or not as far as the wind, but we're kind of sheltered here. So here's some of the not so old beasts. This is a project. These are sort of superfluous. if I even know what that word means. I got this free. I got this, a neighbour just said come get this truck. And apparently it runs, just the transmission's kind of dodgy on it, but it's a 1979 or 1980 Chev Scottsdale. I think that's what that one is. And then I got this one as salvage as well for free. Now the only reason I have this is I really don't want a Suburban, because it's just a freaking land yacht. Is I got this for parts. For this, I actually bought this. Now there's no motor in it, and there's a reason for that, because I want to put a diesel in it. But, love the big trucks. But what my plan is to do is to cut across the roof right there, down here, slide this off, and then cut right there, slide this off, stick it on there, and turn this into a 6-door. I've seen it done with lots of other types of trucks, Fords and Dodges and newer trucks, but I've never seen an 80, 81. It might be an 81. And I think it's fairly straightforward. The geometry all works. I might stretch the box though, because once this is longer that might look weird, a little squish. It's an 8-foot box, but I think it'll be cool. It'll be a cool project. Now, there's another couple of projects. Now, I'm hoping, I'm probably going to lose you guys, but I'm hoping to show you these two, and these will be a later date project. I'm trying to get into the snow here. Okay, here's these old chappies. Get this deep snow. Now, I've got a 41 Dodge and a 39. Now, out of the two of these, I hope to make one. But we'll see. That'll be another modern chassis, and make something cool out of them. And yep, pick them up for free. God, I'm all terraining here. So, yeah, it's taking shape. And it's all going to be on hold until this storm passes. Maybe you can hear me now. It'll all be on hold until this storm passes, and then I'll show you another update, hopefully tinned and closed in. So I better get back to work and look after these cows, so I'll be posting another video probably right away back in the workshop. So I'll get back to work. Teddy, bye.